Tell us about your military background and how it transitioned into a career.
I joined the military in 1988, and I graduated from the United States Naval Academy. I got my degree in computer science, and I spent about 14 years in the Navy, working on ships and also working at the big place at the White House Communications and also at the Pentagon.
What's it like working for D-Fend Solutions, leveraging your background as a veteran?
I feel like I'm still giving out to the country, right? When I was in the military, always saying thank you for your service. I still feel like I'm still serving our country by working with Defense Solutions, right? It's always about protecting people, protecting infrastructure, protecting good things that we care about the most. So working with Defend and stopping threats is something that I'm very passionate about and I really care about the most.
What have you been hearing and talking about here at AUSA 2024?
What I'm hearing a lot is that a lot of people are very excited about new technology, new things that are coming out, right? Because threats are always happening across the country or across the world. So we always got to be on top of those things. A lot of people are excited about the new technology, new weapons, new materials, new clothing, new aerospace things that they can do as well. So they're very excited and looking forward to new stuff that is coming out to protect our country and also to protect the world as well.